Momo lava ona o momoli la au I whongaa. O le viinga lea le tua. Ia te ia pēr lona viinga nei se o le whawau lava. Talo falava everyone, warm Pacific greetings. Simon Matawhai here in Brazil, just giving you another update. This evening I'll be presenting a speech on behalf of the Commonwealth of Nations. As you all know, that's 54 countries, and 6 of us have been selected from Cameroon, Zambia, Pakistan, New Zealand, Australia, and Canada, and we will also be we'll all be speaking this evening. And so my speech, I'm looking at innovative and creative ways of really pushing our ideas and messages to world leaders. I believe that as youth we are dynamic, as youth we are quite creative and innovative. And so I'm looking at the power of music. Music is potent. Everyone listens to music. Can you imagine your favorite movie, that favorite battle scene without music, or that favorite romantic scene without music? Everything will be bland and boring, but with music it's so important because it taps into an area of our lives. It taps into our soul that nothing else can tap into. So I'll be discussing the power of music and how it will assist the climate movement and how it will assist mass mobilization of grassroots movements and in effect influencing decision makers. I also will be giving an inspirational talk to the youth leaders that have come around the world here for this conference. I'll be talking about this idea of a plate. Now, just quickly, this is a story about a guy in New Zealand who just came from Samoa. He just came from Samoa and they had a shared lunch in school. And the teacher told him all to bring a plate. Now, when you say bring a plate, we actually mean bring a plate of food, bring a plate of sandwiches or a drink or something to share with the rest of the class, right? Well, this guy coming from Samoa, he's never heard of this terminology. So he came to school with just a plate, nothing on his plate. So I want to challenge youth leaders tonight. What plate are they preparing? What plate are they preparing for the next generation? What legacy are they leaving for the next generation? What deposit are they going to make for the next generation to withdraw? So those are kind of ideas that I really want to inspire, because if we inspire people, we will transform them. Transformation, metamorphosis, the Greek word metamorpho means to change. Once we change people's minds, we see change. And so that's a quick update about my talk tonight. Keep posted. I'll keep you all posted. I'll be meeting up with the Samoan Prime Minister and the Samoan delegation hopefully later on this week, and also the New Zealand delegation, and I'll be hoping to meet up with them. So thank you very much for your support. So for mai manuia.